I'm going in.
So this week, guys, we are cooking with liqueur. One of my favorite liqueurs, Rumchata. Rumchata is a Mexican liqueur. That's really all I know. I was actually trying to read the bottle to tell you more about it. Caribbean rum with real dairy cream, natural and artificial flavors. It's kind of like if you've ever had horchata. We're gonna be making Rumchata Brownies, which is great for the holidays. I'm gonna make these for our neighborhood Halloween affair. And there's a lot of parents wandering around getting their drink on. I'm actually gonna make these Rumchata Brownies for them. Candy for the kids, Rumchata for the parents. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we are going to become the most popular house in the neighborhood. I've gotten away from the creative drinks. Okay, so I saw somebody do this once, and what they did was they mixed Rumchata and Kahlua. So let's do that. If it's too boozy, I can always add a little almond milk to it to make it right. Get a little Kahlua in here. Stir. Smells delicious. Oh, wow. That's excellent. Just throw a pinch of this almond milk in here and see where it takes us. So, I just put a little splash of almond milk in here, a little whisper, a little giggle of almond milk. Okay, so that just creams it up more and makes it a little more like milkshakey. Fantastic. Good drink, good drink. We're gonna start by putting our wet ingredients together. That's going to be butter, which is already in the bowl because I loosened it up in the microwave a little bit.
A White Russian.
I don't think it's a White Russian, huh?
It's very good.
It's pretty delicious.
Rumchata. I like it. Farrah, what you think?
Pharaoh can't have it neat.
His shirt.
Pretty cool shirt.
It'll probably be on Pro Wrestling Tees.
Probably pretty soon. We're gonna do 1/3 of a cup of our Rumchata.
Go Jags, baby.
Stop it. 3/4 of a cup of sugar, which I've decided to use regular sugar in this. Coffee grounds. I actually don't drink coffee.
Are those actual coffee grounds?
Yeah. What do you think you drink in your Keurig?
I know, but they're K-cups.
All right, so we're doing 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon.
Little Pinot, huh?
Pay for Pinot. I got that for
You gotta pay for Pinot, guys.
So we are wanting 2 whole teaspoons of this vanilla. And I can't open it. Mussels! Oh, I got it. Just
The trick
as soon as you got here, I got it.
Leverage.
Did you know that Rumchata is a Mexican liqueur?
I don't think that's accurate.
It is.
Let me see the bottle.
Read it up. Read up on Rumchata.
Rum is
Good.
from the Caribbean, so that's why I'm confused. Rum is neither Caribbean
It's not rum. It's a
or
liqueur.
the
with rum in
liqueur
it.
because this is from Wisconsin. So, yeah.
I didn't say it was from Mexico. I said it was Mexican.
Rum is not Mexican. Rum is Puerto Rican, Caribbean.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Cuban.
Anyways, we've got all our stuff. We're just going to whisk it. Now we're going to introduce our 2 eggs. We're going to put them in one at a time and whisk. There's 1, 2. Next, we're going to introduce the sifter, and we are going to sift our dry ingredients in. Starting with the cocoa powder, we want 1/2 and 1/3 cup. So I'm just going to kind of guesstimate on the 3rd cup. We'll just sift that in. And then these thick, dry clumps on top, we're just going to discard. We'll put it back into the cocoa. Now we're going to sift in a 1/2 cup of flour, just the same. And now we're going to lastly sift in our cinnamon. Literally only want a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, so it's kind of weird that we're sifting this in, but let's do it. There we go. And now we're gonna stir it all together. When we are all done stirring, it's magically gonna look something like this. Our oven's on 350. It's ready to roll. We got this beautiful batter. Our last thing to do is add half a cup of chocolate chips to it. Add that in. Get this batter going nice and thick. This smells so good. Get after a little bit more of this for a second. That drink just makes me feel cozy. Feels like the holidays. We're using an 8x8 baking dish. Spray the Pam out of it. So let's just get this in. Looks delicious. And it's got a really, really boozy taste. I already tried the batter, of course. Now I'm gonna try it again. Let's spread it out. Check this out. Brownies. Into the oven, 350 degrees, 20 to 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Ovens are different. That's really good. Damn. I gotta stop, I'm gonna get sick. So this drink, you gotta keep kind of like stirring it a little bit to get, the Kahlua goes to the bottom. I'm gonna get it, come up to the top. Yeah, it was all at the bottom. When we pull these out of the oven, we're gonna let them cool a little bit. Then we're gonna frost them. Chocolate fudge frosting. Then I got this cool little like color wheel of sprinkles, which has orange and green. So we're just gonna cover them in orange and green sprinkles, and that makes them Halloween. Always thinking, guys, always thinking. Don't get confused with the sprinkles though, and give them to the kids. These have alcohol in them for us adults. Adult snacks. Fresh out of the oven, here are our Rumchata Brownies. All right guys, so what I did here was I transferred the brownies to a cooling sheet to cool first, and then I transferred them to this so that I can frost them and cut them. I'm just gonna slather it all over. Oh hey, I'm just passing through you.
These Rumchata Brownies?
These are Rumchata Brownies.
They got nuts in them?
No, they have chocolate chips in them. Yeah, they're serious.
Oh, serious. Okay, so that's what Bobby Flay does. See?
Okay, just don't drop it.
Beat that, Bobby Flay. I have an off-show topic to discuss.
Yeah, let's talk about it.
I can step out on the roof and hang the Happy Halloween thing if you want, very simply.
On the roof?
Yeah, the windows from the office go onto the roof.
No.
Okay, fair.
So now we're just gonna sprinkle our green and our orange sprinkles all over the brownies. Oh, there's a random pink one on there now. That's what we're looking at. Let's go straight across here. Yeah. Yeah.
You want a corner piece, just like with pizza.
Oh.
Corner piece is gonna give you the optimum amount of crust
Okay.
as well as cake.
Okay, let's
Cheers.
drop chocolate on the ground. I got all these dogs.
Colby's dead.
I got it.
It was too good. It was too good. I can't have any more. Oh my god, that is. Woo! Woo! Woo!
I'm getting the coffee. I'm getting the rum. Hey babe, I'm getting a whisper of cinnamon.
Are you getting a whisper?
Yeah, I'm getting, just a hiccup of the rum, just like a giggle of the cocoa. Make these. You'll be popular. Just don't give them to the kids on accident. We'll leave the candy to the kids. Brownies for the adults. I'm Brandi Rhodes, and this is Shot of Brandi.